Alright, so we're looking at number 22 in chapter 1. So make sure you've tried this first before you do this video. So I'm reading, given are the formulas y equals minus 1/2 x squared plus 3. So I've got y equals minus 0.5 x squared plus 3. And the other one is y equals minus 2x plus 3. Those are the two formulas. Now, the graph of which of these formulas is a parabola? What can you say about the other graph? Now, you just have to know this is an x squared. In other words, this is the parabola. And the other is just a line because there is no x squared, it's just an x. That was part A. So this is part A. Part B, use different colors to draw the two graphs in one diagram. Now, to do that, you need to make a table first. So I'm going to make a table, and this will be my x. And then I'll have the y equals minus 0.5 x squared plus 3, I'll do there. And the minus 2x plus 3, I'll do there. And I'll let my x go from, let's say minus 3. Let's do one more. Let's do minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And those are my x's. And now I'm going to figure out what y is for each of these. Now what you have to do is you have to fill in the numbers into the formulas. First I'll do the parabola. Minus 4 squared. Again, make sure when a number is negative, you use brackets. So it's minus 4 squared plus 3. Yeah, it's the entire minus 4 squared is 16. Half of the 16 is 8. It's a minus 8 plus 3, so this is minus 5. Yeah. Then I've got minus 3 is going to be 9. Half of minus 3 is a minus 4.5. Minus 4.5 plus 3 is minus 1.5. Then I've got 2 squared, so that's going to be minus 1, it'll be a 2. Then I've got 1. Half of a 1 is minus a half plus 3 is 2.5. Yeah. Then I have 0. 0 will be 3. Then I have 1 again, and well, 1 should be again the same as this one, shouldn't it? So that will be again 2.5 because 1 squared is 1. Half of the 1 is a half. The minus makes it minus a half. Plus as 2.5. So now we have this symmetry that we also see in the graph of a parabola. The 2 is going to be 2 here. The 3 will be the minus 1.5 here. And the 4 will be the minus 5 here. I'm just going to erase this bit. Now I'll do the line. I've got minus 4 times minus 2 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Yeah. And now I don't have to do all of them. I'll just do this at 4. I'll do the one at 0 also. 0 times minus 2 is 0 plus 3 is 3. And maybe the one at 2 as well. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Plus 3 is minus 1. And that should be enough to draw the graphs. So drawing the graphs, let's see, we need to do a few things. Let me make some room for myself. I'm going to draw the axes like that. That's one. I'll draw the second one is there. I'll then say this is my y, that's my x. Don't forget the labels. Don't forget to make a scale 1 and 2, 1 and 2. You don't have to do from 1 to 20 or whatever. If you just do 2 numbers there, 2 numbers there, I know enough. That's fine for the scale. And now we plot. I'll do the one in green. So I'll do the parabola in green. It's minus 4, minus 4, minus 5. So minus 4, minus 5 is here. Then I've got minus 3, minus 1.5, minus 3, minus 1.5 is here. Minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2 is here. minus 1, 2.5, minus 1, 2.5, and then I've got 0 is 3. Then I have my symmetry here, so I really don't need to I know the other ones are going to be symmetric, so that will be about here and about, what is it? This one. Yes. And now I can draw my parabola, and I try to make it kind of curvy. Don't make it... Alright, that's not too bad. Then I have the line is going to be 0, 3, 0, 3. I'm doing this one in blue, so that will be 0, 3. And the other one is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is here. Is that right? Yeah. So now I'm going to draw this line, and so that should go there and there. It's going to be the line that does this about... I don't have a straight edge for this. You should definitely use a straight edge. And this is going to be the second line. You have to use a straight edge. Use your geotriangle. Okay, so now I'm reading further. These are the two graphs. I've done that. And I guess you should label them also. This is the one minus 2x plus 3. And this is the other one in green is minus 0.5 x squared plus 3. And now it says the graph have 2 points of intersection. Yeah, write down the coordinates of these 2 points. Now, if you didn't do the graph correctly, the points of intersection are going to be difficult. So this is this is going to be a difficult question. You have to really be careful. So the point of intersection is the first one is 0, 3. Yeah, this is where they intersect. The other one is, let's see, 4 and then minus 5. The second one is 4 minus 5. Now you can also, of course, already see that in the table. So 4 minus 5, if you had filled it in here, this would be minus 5 as well. And the 3 one you can see, of course, here. Alright, so that was number 22 in chapter 1.